Hey guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Guess what? We got a camera. And I'm excited to use it, but this is a maiden voyage. So I hope everything turns out alright. Anyway, this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making cracklin cornbread. And cracklins are like pork rinds, but a little bit their skin. It's really
You're not
good.
showing it.
Sorry.
Okay, there you go.
But we're having a big meal today because today is Tony's birthday. It's August 26th. I don't think you will see this. You might see this on the 28th. I don't know. But I'm fixing him a nice dinner today. Alright, let's get started. I need 2 cups of yellow cornmeal mix. Now I am using mix. Whenever you use mix, you don't need to add flour. Mix has already, it's self-rising, so it's already got the cornmeal and the flour in it. So I've got 2 cups. And here I have 2 eggs that I've beaten. I need a 1/4 cup of oil. Okay, that might be a little more, but that's okay. And I need a cup of buttermilk. That's what I'm going to start with, but buttermilk's a little thicker. Don't get shake it up well. I'm going to start with a cup. You can add more as needed. Alright, I'm going to start mixing this up. In the oven, I started preheating it to 400 degrees. And in my iron skillet, I have a 1/2 stick of butter that I am melting in there while it's preheating. Whenever you heat up the butter like that on the bottom where it's hot, whenever you put it down, whenever you put the cornbread mix in there, it makes it really, really crispy. Now these are just regular old-fashioned country style cracklins. I'm not going to break them because they're really hard to break. There's some big chunks in there. I think that is perfect. Now hold on a minute. I'll be right back. Let me get the skillet out and we'll put this in the oven. Hold on a minute. Be right back. Alright, got this out the oven. Have to be careful with this thing's hot. You know, you can use white cornmeal mix. I like yellow. I was waiting. Still have some white left, but I love the yellow cornmeal mix. Alright, as I said, it's at 400 degrees. I'm going to let this cook for approximately, oh crap, how long? Probably 30 to 35 minutes. And I'll stick a toothpick in the middle. Alright, we'll be back when this is done. Alright guys, my cracklin cornbread is done. It only took about 25 minutes actually. Many pieces of it in this one. I think it's buried in it. But like I said, this is our cracklin cornbread. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. when you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think about Cracklin Cornbread if you've ever had it before. Leave me a comment and share it on your social media. Alright guys, see y'all later. Cornbread's ready.